Salam, salam. Welcome to my channel. እንኳን ደህና ተቆም ናይ ሎሚ ትምህርትና ትምህርቲ ትግርኛ ኮይኑ ትኽክል ትግርኛ ምርዳእ ዝብል እዩ። ትኽክል ትግርኛ ምርዳእ understanding correct ትግርኛ እዚ TK ቻነል እዩ። እስኪ ኣብቲ ቀንዲ ትምህርትና ቅድሚ ምእታውና ሳብስክራይብ ክትገብሩ ላይክ ሼር እውን ክትገብሩ ነተሓሳስበኩም ክቡራት ተኸታተልትና ክቡራት ተዓዘብትና ሕራይ እምበኣለይ ነዞም ዝስዕቡ ቃላት ፍልልዮም ምርዳእ ዝብል ኣርእስቲ ኣለና። ነዞም ዝስዕቡ ቃላት ፍልልዮም ምርዳእ ኣብ ገለገለ ፊደላት ዝግብር ጌጋታት ኣብ ቀ ቐ ከ ኸ ነዚኦም ክንፈላልዮም ዘይንኽእል ሰባት ኣሎና። ስለዚ ብድቕቕ ዝበለ መገዲ ፍልልዮም ከርእየኩም ክፍትን እየ። ኣራይ እሺ ቁኑዕ ጉጉይ ዝብል ኣሎ። ቁኑዕ ኣበሃህላ ጉጉይ ድማ ኣበሃህላ ኣሎ ኣብ ትግርኛ። ሕጂ እዞም ቃላት ተሪእናዮም ሓደ ብሓደ ቁኑዕ ተጠቂመ እዩ፣ ጉጉይ ከዓ ተጠቂመ። ትርጉሙ ያው is given in English. I used it, I used something. ተጠቂመ it is ተጠቂመ not ተጠቂመ። ተጠቂመ is not Tigrinya. Maybe it can be used by people whose mother tongue is not Tigrinya. Maybe people who were born and grew in Ethiopia, in Sudan, or in Europe or America. The native speakers say تتقيمه. They don't say تتقيمه. You see? تتقيمه. We have قي. Why do we use قي instead of قي? You know, Tigrinya is rich language, rich in pronunciation and rich in words also. So تتقيمه is correct, تتقيمه is wrong. Second example, أقحت is correct. أقحت. أقحت ق not ق. أقحت. Speakers don't say أقحت. They say أقحت. Native speakers don't say أقحت. They say أقحت. Okay, مقت. مقت is wrong. The correct Tigrinya is مقت, not مقت. Okay? حقو. We don't say حقو. What does حقو mean? No. It is حقو. حقو is correct. تتقو. We never say تتقو. تتقو is used by people whose mother tongue is not Tigrinya. They can't pronounce the word قو. That is the problem. But speakers say تتقو. طيق. طيق is correct Tigrinya. طيق is Amharic. It's Amharic. And the meaning is ask. You see, this is Tigrinya. طيق. طيق is Amharic. Okay, next. Rahibu. We say Rahibu. Rahibe. Rakibu is wrong. Rakibu. It's not Tigrinya. Tigrinya is Rahibu. Chakawit. Chakawit. We don't say Chakawit. Chakawit is correct. Subuk. Subuk is wrong. We don't say Subuk. We say Subuk. Agabat, correct. Agabat, wrong. Okay? بخلت يزخدك ቃላት. It means both ways are correct. Khe and ke can be used for the same meaning. Khe. Now, for example, kham'u. Kham'u means like this. Kham'u or kam'u. Both are correct. Sometimes we use khe and sometimes we use ke, but both are correct. Kham'u and kam'u are both correct. Khamzi, kamzi, both are correct. Okay, we say kahun or kahun to mean priest, both are correct. We say khidan, we say kidan, both are correct to mean covenant. Okay, so we must understand our language. We should not use ke where it should not be used. Like setakime. Yeah, we don't say setakime. We don't say nkakaho. We say nkakaho. Nkakaho. Not nkakaho. 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 You see? Okay. This is what we have for now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. أعزائي أمسكنكم نغلهم ونفكركم سلا خاطركم من دماء أمسكنكم. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.